What if every time you sneezed, you instantly teleported to a random spot on the planet? Imagine it. 1 second you're in your kitchen, you feel that familiar tickle in your nose, achoo! And boom, you're standing in the middle of the Amazon rainforest, blinking at parrots and panthers. The world would transform into a real-life game of chance with every sniffle, allergy season turning cities into ghost towns as people vanish mid-commute, reappearing in deserts, mountaintops, or bustling city squares halfway across the globe. Think about the chaos and comedy of daily life. Weather reports would feature pollen counts with survival tips, and everyone would carry teleportation kits packed with snacks, maps, and language guides. Airports? Obsolete. Your friend sneezes at your birthday party and suddenly FaceTimes you from the pyramids of Egypt. The stakes get wild. One sneeze in the shower and now you're freezing on an Antarctic glacier, scrambling for a towel and maybe a penguin hug. But it's not all wacky adventures. Scientists scramble to invent anti-sneeze pills, while thrill-seekers chase allergy triggers for the ultimate global lottery. Imagine the suspense. Will your next sneeze drop you in paradise or plop you in the middle of rush hour in Tokyo? Relationships would get interesting too. Long-distance love takes on a whole new meaning when your partner could literally sneeze into your arms or out of your life. So next time you feel that itch in your nose, just imagine, what if one little sneeze could change everything? Would you try to hold it in, or would you let it fly and see where the universe takes you? Maybe the wildest adventures start with a sneeze.